everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a multicolor text on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, and in here I wanna add a black video, so you just click on the stock video at the top and then click a black video and add at the bottom. Now, if you wanna add multicolor text, you just click on the text and then add text and write the text multicolor like this. After this, you just click on the style. You just click on the font, choose the font that you want. This one. Now I wanna add a multicolor text, so you just click on the effect and swipe at the menu. You just swipe until you can see this is a multicolor menu and click on it, and in here you can see many multicolor effect from CapCut like this. And now adjust the size like this and add the animation. Okay, now you just click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to make a multicolor text on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.